In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted event in Google Calendar. Maybe you deleted a meeting by mistake, or you cleared an event and realized later that you still needed it. The good news is that Google Calendar has a built-in safety net, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use it, step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account where the event originally existed. If you use multiple accounts, double check the profile icon in the top right corner to confirm you're in the correct calendar. Once your calendar view loads, you can stay in any view you like, such as day, week, or month. The recovery process is the same. Next, look toward the top right corner of the page for the small gear icon. This is the settings menu in Google Calendar. Click on that gear icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your calendar settings and tools. In that drop-down, find and click on the option labeled Bin or Trash, depending on your language settings. This is essentially the recycle bin for your Google Calendar. Any events you've deleted recently will be stored here temporarily before they're removed permanently. Keep in mind that events don't stay in the bin forever, so it's a good idea to recover them as soon as you notice something is missing. Once you're in the bin view, you'll see a list of deleted events. Each event has a small checkbox next to it. These checkboxes let you select one or more events to restore or delete permanently. Carefully scan the list and look for the event you want to bring back. If you remember the date, title, or approximate time, use those details to help you identify the right one. When you find the event you want to restore, click the empty checkbox next to it. You can select just one event or multiple events if you deleted several by mistake and want to recover them all at once. After selecting your event, look for the restore icon at the top of the list. It usually appears as an arrow pointing back or a similar symbol, and it's labeled to indicate that it will restore the selected events. Click on this arrow icon. Google Calendar will immediately move the event out of the bin and place it back into your main calendar in its original date and time slot. Now you can return to your normal calendar view and confirm that the event has reappeared, ready to use again.